Hello, my friend. Today, I want to start with a simple question. Do you want to improve your English, but you feel like you don't have enough time? Maybe your day is full. You wake up. You go to work or school. You answer messages. You scroll on your phone. You come home feeling tired. And you think, I should study English today. But then another day passes. And another. If this sounds like your life, please don't feel bad. Many people want to learn English, but they believe they need 1 hour or 2 hours every day. And when they cannot find that much time, they stop completely. But today I want to share a different idea with you. You don't need 1 hour. You don't need a perfect study schedule. You only need 10 minutes. 10 small minutes. Because habits are not built with big effort. Habits are built with small actions that happen every day. So in this episode, I will show you how to build a simple English habit that takes only 10 minutes a day. Let's build it together. First, let's talk about something important. Consistency. Learning a language is not like a race. It is more like watering a plant. If you water a plant once a week with a lot of water, it may not grow well. But if you give it a little water every day, it grows slowly and strongly. Your English works the same way. 10 minutes every day is much better than 2 hours once a week. So our goal is not to study hard. Our goal is to study regularly. Now, let's build your 10-minute routine. Step 1 is listening. This will take about 3 minutes. Choose a short English video or audio. It could be a podcast like this one, or a short YouTube clip, or even a short scene from a movie. Listen once without worrying about understanding every word. Just listen. Your brain is getting familiar with the sounds of English, the rhythm, the pronunciation, the melody of the language. Listening every day trains your ears, and over time, English will feel more natural. Step 2 is speaking. This part also takes about 3 minutes. After listening to a sentence, pause the audio. Repeat the sentence out loud. Try to copy the speaker. Copy the speed. Copy the tone. For example, if the speaker says, I'm going to grab some coffee, you repeat, I'm going to grab some coffee. This is called shadowing. It helps your mouth get used to English sounds. At first it may feel strange, but after a few days, your pronunciation becomes smoother, and speaking becomes easier. Step 3 is thinking in English. This takes about 2 minutes. Look around you. Describe what you see in simple English. For example, my phone is on the table. The room is quiet. I'm sitting on the couch. These sentences are small, but they train your brain to think directly in English. Without translation, you are building a new habit in your mind. Step 4 is one sentence about your life. This takes about 2 minutes. Ask yourself a simple question. What did I do today? Then answer in English. For example, today I finished my work early. I had lunch with a friend. I watched a movie tonight. You are using English to talk about real life. And that is the most powerful way to learn a language. Now, let's review your 10-minute routine. 3 minutes listening. 3 minutes speaking. 2 minutes thinking in English. 2 minutes describing your day. That's 10 minutes. Simple, but powerful. You might be wondering something. When should I do these 10 minutes? The best time is when it fits naturally into your day. Some people like to do it in the morning. Others prefer the evening. But here is a helpful idea. Attach your English habit to something you already do. For example, after brushing your teeth, listen to a short English clip. Or after dinner, practice speaking for 3 minutes. When a new habit is connected to an old habit, it becomes easier to remember. Let's also talk about motivation. Some days you will feel excited to practice. Other days you may feel tired. This is normal. On those days, remind yourself that the goal is not perfection. The goal is simply to show up. Even if you practice for 5 minutes instead of 10, that is still progress. You are keeping the habit alive. And that matters more than anything else. Another helpful tip is to track your progress. You can mark a small check on a calendar every day you practice. After 1 week, you will see 7 check marks. After 1 month, you will see many more. This visual progress feels very satisfying, and it motivates you to continue. Imagine something with me for a moment. If you practice 10 minutes every day for 1 year, that is more than 60 hours of English exposure. 60 hours. From only 10 minutes a day. Small habits create big change. My dear friend, learning English does not have to feel heavy or stressful. It can be light. It can be part of your normal day. Just 10 minutes. 10 minutes of listening. 10 minutes of speaking. 10 minutes of small progress. And one day you will notice something wonderful. You understand more. You speak more easily. English begins to feel natural. Before we finish today, I want to give you a simple challenge. After this episode ends, start your first 10-minute session. Just 10 minutes. Listen to something short. Repeat 1 or 2 sentences. Say a few thoughts in English. And tell yourself 1 sentence about your day. That's it. Your English habit has started. Thank you for spending this time with me. This is Sarah. I believe in your progress. And I will see you in the next episode.
Goodbye.